visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the beam.
Okay. Death row today, death row.
I don't ever mean that contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Tryna pour another cup with us. Need my brother sit mud with me. My bitch is a 10, my jet in the wind, I fucked in the wind. My dog just caught another body, now he's popping tennis again. That's living at the cul-de-sac. Sliding.
Girl, I cannot believe Celine. She took her diaper. I walk in the house from the gym. She takes her diaper off and pees. So now I have to wash all of this.
Just in Miami, I was chillin' with a Souls at. In the Rolls Royce, I don't need a low jet. Keep the 45, I had to hold it. Gotta ride with it, cause I'm chosen. I just pulled up, won't let me land. Black dots with mustard bedded on the photo tee. I remember wondering what I'm gonna eat. Pull up that Bentley with no key. I've been on top for a while. Last time shipped to the moon. That's how I make one boom boom. Turn it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the beam. Been working on my confidence and respect, I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. Mud, see me on my niggas talk shit, but they never ever knew us. I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip to the moon. That's how I make one boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in a butter jelly. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lemon, sliding in the beam. But working on my confidence and respect, I get a lot of it. I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us.
So in the morning, Celine watches Miss Rachel, but a new one of her favorite shows is Miss Tab Time. But Miss Rachel is educational, so I let her watch that first, and if she's still eating, then I'll put on Tab Time. Cause you know you gotta support the black owned. This is her favorite. Hello, friends of mine. It's Tab Time. Hey mamas, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaded by Jade. If you are new here, welcome. So this vlog is a little bit all over the place, y'all, because I just started back working out. This is my second week, and yeah, so the vlog is gonna be all over the place because I had went shopping and then I was cooking and stuff like that. So this vlog is gonna be like my 5 a.m. morning routine as a mommy and me getting back in the gym. So right now we are on our way. My retainer is making my mouth dry. Right now we are on our way to a viewing. Is that what it's called, babe? A viewing? Oh no, a tour. We are on our way to a tour for Celine's daycare, which I'm really excited to see this daycare. One thing I like about this daycare is that they have like a virtual thing where parents could log on to and see how your child is doing throughout the day. I love that. Y'all know we don't have any family in Atlanta, so it's important for me to be able to see what's going on. And this place is a little bit far out from where we live. It's like 30 minutes away. Hey babe, he just left the gym. How was your workout?
It was good. It was real short though. I didn't really get the full workout.
Oh, you ain't get that sweat in?
Nah, because he left early.
Well, I had my sweat in, and I'm gonna upload my vlog from working out. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. And when we get back in the car, I'm gonna let y'all know how I felt about the place. I'm gonna try to vlog. I don't know if there might be certain rules and regulations with that, but we'll see. I totally forgot it was MLK Day. So we got all the way here and they're closed, and I kept trying to call. So I think the lady made a mistake and booked our tour for today. But we're at Chick-fil-A right now. I wish I could show y'all how nice this Chick-fil-A is. Look how nice this Chick-fil-A is, y'all. You can keep going back. Like, it is so freaking nice. So this used to be the Dorf Chick-fil-A, but this one is called the Truett Chick-fil-A. It's so nice. Cheese, say cheese. Your dad put on a movie? Say Transylvania. Say bye. No, to the camera. Say bye-bye. Blow him a kiss. Blow him a kiss, Leanie. No, not your dad. The mamas. Blow the mamas a kiss. Right here, Leanie. Look. Blow a kiss. Mwah. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to put this together for her and take this out of the box. Okay, so I got her this cute little phone too. She loves phones. Let me see. So I'm about to take this out and give it to her.
Let's talk on the phone.
Ooh, I like that. Let me see. Come here. Come. Yay. You like it?
Oh.
Ooh, Leanie. So now I'm gonna add some egg noodles to this, and then I'm making Celine like her own little soup too. And the chicken literally already breaks apart in here. That's just garlic. Let it cook. I let this cook already for like 3 hours. The chicken literally broke up in it. And then I just added a little butter and seasoning into Celine's with vegetable stock. And just let it simmer for a few more minutes till the noodles get soft. So I didn't make Celine's too soupy because she's going to be feeding herself. So this is perfect for her. I just added some parsley, some seasoning, and some vegan butter. And she's good to go. So I like my soup spicy, so I put like some cayenne pepper in mine, y'all. It is so good. Like, put the cayenne pepper. It definitely steps up your traditional chicken noodle soup. I forgot to mention that I also added green beans into Celine's. Buttery, tender, delicious chicken noodle soup y'all ever seen, okay? Anthony really didn't want this for dinner, but he's tearing it up. And then we haven't had croissants in a while. They are so good. Ooh, okay. I'm about to take a shower. Now, you know, these are way better than the eucalyptus plant I'm sorry, I love the smell of eucalyptus, and the plant just doesn't do it for me. So I definitely be needing this to relax me and calm me from my day. If you know, you know. First of all, Bath & Body Works, y'all need to bring this back because I love this stuff. It smells so good. It's so relaxing. I just take a shower in this. I never put it in my bath water because, you know, it's not good for down there. But y'all, this smells so good, and it definitely relaxes me, like after you work out, or if you're just trying to relax and, you know, catch a vibe before bed. Y'all need this. And the vapor, it also has eucalyptus in it. Alright y'all, so I'm about to go to bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm about to get in the shower. I gotta be up tomorrow at 5 a.m. to hit the gym again. I think I really need to just start doing this type of look like every day so I can look somewhat presentable, because I'm really feeling it. But I love y'all so much. Don't forget, if there's something that y'all wanted to do in life, make sure y'all do it now. Don't wait. Act on it now. Time waits for nobody. I know a lot of times we put stuff off for tomorrow, or I'm gonna start Monday. No, start immediately, or start the next day immediately. Hold yourself accountable, because putting stuff off is only putting you on the back burner. You're not gonna be able to reach all your goals and stuff if you keep waiting and waiting and waiting. Time waits for nobody. But anyways, I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.